Demonstrate the Easy Rip chainsaw attachments. It allows you to cut fence posts for 4 to 5 inches in depth, making it easier on the operator, straighter and more consistent. Introducing the twisted wedge. I'd like to show you how it works. It increases the separation of timber, makes it easier for post removal, reduces bounce out. I'll show you now. Introducing the red belly bar. It's made from nickel chrome moly in the tube and a nickel chrome moly head. It's a 2-section bar. It's designed for a little bit of anti-vibration. It's ideal for cutting through rocks and tree roots because of its wide splayed face. It's ideal for taking posts out of billets as well. It's dog leg, so you can take a hole down straighter, and the fulcrum point is here. I'll just show you now how it levers.